Once the ripe and plump tomatoes are mechanically picked from those fresh fields at their peak ripeness, ensuring they're bursting with flavor, they are sent to the dedicated factories. These tomatoes have been harvested employing advanced agricultural techniques, making them ideal for ketchup production. Each tomato undergoes careful selection, guaranteeing that only the finest specimens make their way to the processing facility. Any tomatoes that show signs of damage, spoilage, or imperfections are promptly discarded. Following inspection, the tomatoes are thoroughly washed using safe equipment and gentle cleansing agents. You can see the water is getting grayish-brown, meaning there was so much dirt on those tomatoes, so the dual washing system helped a lot. Once the tomatoes are washed, they will be sent to the inner stations where the tomato ketchup would be made from scratch. Here again, they will go through a thorough manual inspection. Now comes the first important step: boiling. Those huge steam boilers are getting ready so they could give that royal treatment to every tomato in the best possible way. This heating step serves multiple purposes. It helps to soften the tomatoes, making it easier to remove their skins, and it also serves as a crucial sanitation step, eliminating any harmful bacteria or microorganisms present on the tomato surfaces. After that, the tomatoes are subjected to pressurized water jets. These powerful jets of water are strategically directed at the tomatoes, effectively loosening their skins without damaging the delicate flesh underneath. And now comes the drum rollers, where the tomatoes move through this specialized machinery that gently coax the softened skins away from the tender flesh of the tomatoes, ensuring a smooth and efficient skin removal process. The peeled and inspected tomatoes are then transformed into a smooth, uniform puree through a series of huge mixer machines. Now they are going to preserve that puree for some time. This involves carefully controlling factors such as temperature, acidity, and oxygen levels to create an optimal environment for flavor development. Before proceeding further, the puree is tested once again to ensure that it has reached the desired level of ripeness and flavor development. Once approved, it is carefully transferred to large mixing tanks. If you're enjoying this video, let us know by clicking that glowing like button. In these tanks, the puree will be loaded directly into the mixing tanks through pipes. Combined with a careful blend of spices, oils, and other secret ingredients, each is chosen to impart the signature flavor profile of the ketchup. The puree and seasonings are mixed together thoroughly, ensuring that the flavors are evenly distributed and harmonized to perfection. Each ingredient is selected for its unique contribution to the flavor profile of the ketchup, with careful consideration given to factors such as spiciness and that deliciously distinctive Heinz taste. As they need to handle more than one ketchup brand, so just let them fill these bottles before we move towards Heinz. You know, the good always comes after a lot of patience. Anyway, I'll make sure it's not that lot. That is super satisfying to watch these clear bottles getting filled with the delicious and creamy ketchup we almost eat with every fried item. Say, fries, nuggets, pizza, anything, ketchup is a must. Honestly, I think pizza and ketchup have been the worst combo ever. As these bottles are ready, let me show you how Heinz ketchup bottles got filled. As the ketchup has been prepared, it is pumped into clean bottles using precision equipment. This filling process is carefully controlled to ensure that each bottle receives the correct amount of ketchup with minimal waste or spillage. The cooled bottles of ketchup are then labeled with branding and nutritional information before being packed into cases for distribution. Your favorite ketchup bottles are ready to safely and securely reach you. You might have heard from almost everywhere that McDonald's French fries are known for forever fresh fries. Not forever, but yes, that's true. They stay fresh for a longer time. First, they do not use any potatoes but a rare kind of potatoes. One of the key steps in preparing McDonald's French fries is blanching. During blanching, the potato slices are briefly immersed in hot water or steam to partially cook them. This helps to seal in the natural flavors and sugars of the potatoes. Sprite is known for its refreshing lemon-lime flavor. Just cut it off. Everybody knows that. You do know that Sprite is caffeine-free, making it a popular choice for those looking to avoid caffeine or limit their intake. This makes it suitable for consumption at any time of day without the risk of caffeine-related side effects. If it doesn't have caffeine, why do I crave it again and again? Okay, let me tell you, they are going to do like unlimited layers of cream and chocolate treats, so get prepared. But I wonder if any of my audience have ever tried it. I never did, but I really want to try. Can somebody tell me if they have tried this delight and how it turned out? That melted chocolate is something irresistible, and I am pretty sure it's going to be the most creamy and rich delight those natives will ever find. Yeah, here's another layer of fluffy cream to give you double treats or a bomb of sweetness that explodes in your mouth in every single bite. It's ready to hit your nearby grocery stores. Go and find it. It's waiting for you there. That's a wrap for today. But our flavorful journey isn't over yet. If you want to watch more videos like these, you can find us here.